So this lesson is focusing on adding and subtracting mixed numbers. So first what we have to do is we have to add or subtract the fractions, finding common denominators if necessary. Then we need to add or subtract the whole numbers and then simplify. So the first example here is 14 and 1/2 plus 18 and 2/3. So I'm going to first deal with just my fractions here. So I'm going to say 1/2 plus 2/3. Using the butterfly method, I'm going to say 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. Again, we're doing this because we don't have any common denominators. And then 3 times 2 is 6. Again, I'm going to bring up my operation. So 3 plus 4 is 7. And then keep the denominator of 6. So now I have to simplify. Well, I know my numerator is greater than my denominator. 7 is bigger than 6, so I know I have to long divide. How many times does 6 go into 7? 6 goes into 7 one time. 6 times 1 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So then my answer is 1 and 1/6. Now, I know I can't simplify that anymore, so I can stop with this part of the problem. But now I have to go back and include my whole numbers. So I'm going to say 14 plus 18 is 32. And then now I have to remember what I got here. So I'm going to say 32 plus 1 and 1/6. So 32 plus 1 is 33. And then I just have to add the 1/6 to my answer. So I get 33 and 1/6. So my next example will be 6 and 1/2 minus 6 and 1/3. Okay, so I'm going to deal with my fractions first. So I'm going to say 1/2 minus 1/3. Again, no common denominator, so I have to do the butterfly method. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. And then 2 times 3 is 6. Remember, that's a subtraction sign. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then my denominator is 6. So 1/6. So I have my fraction of 1/6 here. Now let's go back and deal with my whole numbers. So 6 minus 6 is 0. But then I can't forget about my 1/6. So really what I'm doing here is saying 0 plus 1/6 is just 1/6. So my answer here is 1/6.